In his letter to the Corinthians, 1 Corinthians chapter 14, the Apostle Paul strictly prohibited women from speaking in church. A woman is not permitted to speak at church. If she wants to learn something, she must ask her husband at home, because it is shameful for a woman to speak at church. But few chapters back, chapter 11, the same letter, few chapters back, the Apostle Paul permitted women to pray, even prophesy, if she had her head covered. So this is not the case of permitting or prohibiting a woman from speaking in church. This is actually the case of spousal maturity, a topic that has been largely ignored in church settings. Spousal maturity, a phenomenon studied by cultural anthropologists. Majority cultures, pre-modern cultures, having the adoptions of spousal maturities gap in marriage. 1 Corinthians chapter 14 doesn't carry the claim that women are somewhat lesser intelligent human being, but the actual context was a restoration of church orders and a reflection of spousal maturity. What is this spousal maturity that I'm talking about? Spousal maturity or spousal maturity age gap is a biological phenomenon where females have a rapid growth privilege in her psychological development than that of a man. What that means is a female of 25 will be more mature than a man of her age. Her psychological development would be equivalent to a man of 35 or 40. So if she ends up marrying a man her age, she'll probably put herself in a position where she will be babysitting, because a man her age will be psychologically more immature than her. Spousal maturity was a norm in the early church until the 1930s. Asking her husband at home doesn't mean that the Apostle Paul was insinuating some kind of intellectual insult. She simply means that she marries someone more mature than her. Intellectual hypergamy was a norm back then. So I hope you learned something today. Have a blessed day. Hallelujah.